Hi, welcome to GarageDoorWeatherSeal.com. This is a short video discussing our product called 3-inch black tee. When we say 3-inch, it's 3 inches wide. It's black and is a T-style weather seal. The T width on this is 1/4 inch. By far the most common and prevalent size of weather seal retainer is 1/4 inch. This product is formed into a U and slid into a track that's on the bottom of the door, and that's the end result right there. A nice wide seal for your door. This 3-inch width is by far the most common on new doors. This is probably what you're removing from your door if you're going to be replacing your weather seal. If the old seal was sealing the floor nicely and there wasn't any radical gaps, say 1/2 inch where you stick your fingers or something underneath the door when the door is down, this is plenty. This will do fine. If you have a nice level and smooth floor, this will get it done for you. This will get you a nice seal back like you had when the door was new. If that's not the case and there's some imperfections or you have gaps, consider going to a wider black T style weather seal. We have it in 4-inch and we have it in 6-inch. We also carry this same product in gray. We have different videos for that and different listings for that. Check them out. Thanks a lot.